Hey there. So it's finally nice in New York. It's amazing. Tomorrow I think it's going to be 30 degrees colder, so I'm taking advantage today to show you what I got from JustFab for the month of April. Tried to get some things a little more springy, anticipating the good weather. So let's see what I did. They were having a good sale, as always. So I stocked up on some really cute flip-flops. I think they were maybe, I don't remember exactly, $4 each maybe, but they're the nice flip-flops. And then I got a pair of sandals, which are called Kenya. So let's take a look. $100 wine voucher. By now we all know we get this every time. Oh, look how cute this is. A drawstring bag with a little drawstring. Excuse the teeth. You know, when you're doing this live, you don't know what you're going to encounter. And I can't get it open. So, I have to use my teeth. Alright, I'm getting it. Live is the best, isn't it? Here we go. Can't wait to see. So these ones are silver. I'll call these my formal ones. Aren't they cute? They're the nice thick ones. I really like them. So I got those. And then these ones are the really fancy ones. I hope it doesn't take me as long to open. No, I got mad skills now. See that? Wait till you see how cute these are. These are navy. I still am getting so much navy stuff. But look. They're polka dots. That's my mom's favorite. I usually don't do polka dots, but if it's not all over my body, I think it'll be adorable on my feet. Aren't they cute? Today I could wear them, tomorrow I don't know. And I got plated up to a $159 value. I want to try one of these things someday. They always throw all sorts of little extra little perks in. You never know what you're gonna get. And then my first pair of real sandals 2018. Kenya, they're called. And guess what? I didn't get black. Ooh, aren't they cute? I love them. Diamonds and pearls. And look at this little heart. They're adorable. The heel is good for me since can't wear heels anymore, really. Really nice. They're cute. They're like a blush color. Elastic on the side. I'm happy. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you next month.